Okay, a 2004 Nissan Pathfinder 3.5 liter, and the radiator's leaking across the top tank right here. We're going to take this out. Obviously got to take the hose clamp off, a couple tins across there. I've already drained it. Underneath is a bracket. Okay, let me come over to that. Take that plastic cover off, 10 millimeters, and take that bracket off underneath the bottom, 14 millimeters. There's a Phillips screw drain petcock. You're going to take that off and drain your radiator. 2 coolant hoses, continuous tension clamps that we're going to have to take off. So I'm just walking through it so you know what I'm doing as I'm doing it. And this is going to be an easy job. Anybody can do it. Here we go. I'm going to start with these 2 tins on the fan shroud. Actually, this little hose comes off. Let's just remove that, stick it to the side. Tins are right here. One on this side. Whoa. It wasn't a great angle, but I don't know if there's any on the bottom. If there's not, pull it up out of the notches and push it back. Next thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and take this hose clamp out. Get that hose, just tuck it out of your way. 10 millimeters, I think. These, yeah, 10 on each side for top supporting bracket. Now I'm going underneath. I'm going to take those 2 transmission lines off, and from there, we're going to yank a radiator out. Well, bottom hose, obviously. The hose clamp on the bottom radiator hose off. All right, there we are. Let's slip back. Those are off. This radiator should slide right out of here. As soon as we get the shroud back just a little bit further. Well, let's take a look. Should slide out of here, I promise you. Get it off of the radiator side there. I'm going to do something, try something. I don't want to take the shroud with us. I promise I do not. But they're tucked it in really tight on this back side. I really don't want to take the fan clutch out. It's stuck in the bottom of the boot. Gonna wiggle it out of here. and we're on the top. Yeah, what fun. Just trying to get it off the shroud on the bottom there. If I have to, I can pull the fan clutch. Okay, I'm tired of wrestling with this one. Normally they come out 10mm bolts, take the fan clutch off. Not gonna wrestle. What you assume sometimes, by doing this stuff a lot, get you in trouble. And then we shoot video, and there we are. Hey, you gotta do this now. Such is life. Seems like lately I'm going through stages of just stuff being tough. Alright, so we're going to do it this way. We're going to pull the fan clutch to us, and pull the shroud out, and the fan clutch out. That there, there's hose on the side. Now we got all kinds of room. Alright, there's those transmission cooler hoses and radiator hose right there. And up and out we are. Now, we've got our new radiator. Some kind of a part number there you might be able to read. Alright, sliding the mounts off the bottom of the radiator, of the old one, putting them on our new one. And there's two little mounts down there. Just set that radiator in. Place. Might as well slide a radiator hose up. Transmission hoses. Get those from underneath and put them back. Put all those clamps on. I'm gonna go ahead and support our radiator in with its bracket. Right. So from there, we're obviously going to get our radiator back into those little notches. Little pins on the bottom, slide in there, and you put that shroud in. Obviously we're going to swing our fan down inside there. It's best to try to do it all at the same time. Once you get it kind of down in there and start your fan on your tins there. I'm going to start a 10 millimeter on the fan so it doesn't fall off, at least one. Then I'm going to look up underneath and make sure that the shroud is in the retainers. Looks like we are. I am going to have to pause. People are coming in on me.